Welcome to Unso. Unso Intelligent Technology, established in 2014 in Zhejiang Province, is a manufacturer specialized in smart locks and smart home devices. 6 years ago, we started our mission to produce intelligent products which can make lives easier for the user. Smart living is the future, and technology can help us control and secure our homes reliably. As the world around us is getting smarter every day, our purpose is simple: make life easier. Home is where love resides, memories created, and laughter never ends. Every minute you save with every action creates precious moments with your loved ones and makes life more meaningful and easier. Unso provides you the best security with elegant convenience, style, and control. With over 5,800 dealers, Unso has one of the biggest distribution networks domestically. Several international tech giants has come to visit us. We have a modern factory building of 20,000 square meters, equipped advanced assembly lines, and 150 skilled employees. Our research and development team has some of the best-known experts in the business. We can produce 20,000 units of smart locks every month as of 2019. Our products leads with exceptional quality, and our products are quality controlled using the most advanced testing equipments, and we have ample stocks throughout the year. Our experienced R&D and marketing team makes definitive forward progress in achieving our organizational goals, which are helpful for reinforcing a sense of pride throughout all team members and enhances customers' experience. Our laboratory has several testing and production facilities, continuously upgrading our technical ability with the most advanced and effective technology. Make your home a smart home with Unso. Unso products are used in homes in over 70 countries, and with our customer satisfaction and increasing demands, our vision of making life easier for everyone around the world is steadily evolving. Over the years, we have acquired several patented designs and major international certificates for global markets, and has been acknowledged with numerous awards for creative innovation, elegant design, and leading-edge technology. We aim to inspire the world by showing it's possible to deliver great products, service, and simultaneously deliver happiness to customers, employees, vendors, shareholders, and the community in a long-term, sustainable way. With great quality, great service, excellent value for price, and by exceeding customers' expectations, we win our customers' trust, loyalty, and business. Unlock and step into intelligent tomorrow with Unso. Make life easier.